Welcome to another cake vlog. I'm going to make a 3-tier cake from bottom left. Starting off with 3 eggs, 2/3 cup of finely ground sugar, and half a cup of flour. Apologies for I'm making the cake in my room because there's clutter all over the place. These measurements are essentially for a single tier, so be mindful of that. Mixing the wet ingredients. So this 3-tier cake is basically for one of my cousins' wedding party. Having whipped the egg and sugar quite well, I'm basically adding a few drops of strawberry and vanilla essence. Coming to the dry ingredients, I'm adding baking soda to the flour, and this is how I mix it well. Spoon by spoon, I'm adding it to the batter. And this method is what I invented out of improvisation, without letting much of the air escape. At this point, I'm adding a little bit of the batter froth into oil, mixing it well. And adding it back to the main portion of batter. I love how the batter drips into the pan. Just love this part. I'm actually using a very low heating technique. In essence, I'm only setting it to like 170 degrees for about 20 minutes, give or take. The stick comes out clean, which means the tier has been baked successfully. This is a sponginess check. Look how the layers go back to its original shape. So essentially, I couldn't record the icing of most of the tiers as I was in a rush. Here I'm piping out the florals of all of the tiers. This is the final look of the cake before departing for the party. Apologies for the background, I really couldn't care enough though. Right, back to final touches. At this point I'm adding small pearls to the floral design just to add an oomph to overall. Also, I thought of adding a little bit of strawberry dripping to the upper tier. And here's the final look. And this fun auspicious moment, bride and groom cutting the cake. It just makes all the efforts worth it. Thank you for watching. See you later.